Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be doing some outside lighting. So I'm going to go ahead and delete my default cube, and we'll go ahead and we'll add, let's go with a cylinder for this particular one. We're going to go with G, bring this up, S for scale, right click shade smooth. You can go S for scale, bring this in a little bit, and then just scale this up to the height that you need. We'll go for edit mode, and you want to select faces. So once we've got the face at the bottom right here, we can go E for extrude, bring this down, use the axes. So let's go with S for scale, and then E for extrude, and just bring this down. So this will be the base of the lamp. And what we're going to do is, let's go to object mode, add, and then we're going to go for UV sphere, G, bring this up. You can make this as big or as small as you'd like, depending on your lights. We're going to go with right click shade smooth, and all we're going to do is take the pole that we've just made here for the base of the lights, take the face. Let's go with side view, so 1 for side view. Let's go E for extrude, S for scale, E for extrude again. We're going to go S for scale, and all you want to do is just encompass that nice little sphere that you've just made into this. So you might want to stop about there, and then let's go on to the X-ray mode so you guys can see. E for extrude, leave it where it is, S for scale, bring it in, and then E for extrude, bring this down, and then scale this inwards as such. So once we get to objects mode right here, we can go ahead with side view again, which is 1. Press G, bring this down, and just literally sit and fit it inside of the holder that you've just made right there. So let's take this X-ray mode off. We'll take the stand that we've just made, materials tab, new, make this black. Take this sphere that we've made right here, new material. We can change out the principal BSDF to emission. Let's go ahead and just improve that emission a little bit and add in not a cube, a plane for the base. S for scale. Take your entire lamp and press G and bring it up to that red line right there. Now we should have a nice little lamp going on. If you haven't already, switch your render engine to cycles from Eevee. And there we have it, a nice little street lamp for your scene. Pretty easy. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.